Association of Broadcasters and the Ad Council.
WAUK-AM in Jackson, Wisconsin. We are yellow. The caution comes out for debris on the racetrack. The sweepers are out. The pits are open, and we're about ready to get underway for our third and what should be our final round of pit stops here for the ABC Supply AJ Foyt 225. Let's start with Bob Jenkins. Bob, as driver's going to get to you first.
Yeah, Grant Rahal will want to make his pit stop right in front of me. They have virtually made no changes to the car.